It's Hannah from WTI. And if you're a Star Wars fan, then definitely pick up this book, Ahsoka from E.K. Johnson. If you're following any of the new shows and you're wondering, who is Ahsoka? Or maybe you're an OG Ahsoka fan, this is a must read. It's a young adult novel that follows Ahsoka after the events of Order 66. And it takes place between the times of Revenge of the Sith and the show Rebels, and it really gives you insight into Ahsoka as a character, helps you learn who she becomes. So it's really going to give you a lot of insight into her new show. It helps you meet some new characters that have already been introduced in some of the shows and really understand where they came from. I absolutely loved this book. I love, love, love Ahsoka. I even named one of my dogs after her. So I really recommend that you pick up this read. Again, it's Ahsoka by E.K. Johnson, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And that is my point of view.